In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can appear not active on Instagram. Before you do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. But first things first, open up Instagram and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, go ahead and select those three lines up in the top right corner. And then of course, once you're here, you need to go ahead and use the search bar and just search for activity status. Once show activity status does appear, go ahead and select it, and you essentially just need to tick this toggle off. As soon as you make sure this toggle is turned off, if it's grayed out, that essentially means that your activity status is disabled. Mine's currently turned on right now, so you want to do the opposite of what mine is currently showing. Once this is off, people will not be able to see when you were last active or when you were last online or whenever you're online in general. That's how you appear not active on Instagram. The process really is as simple as that. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. It lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.